こんにちは、皆さん。Ms.P です。Hello, everyone. I'm Ms.P. I hope all of you are safe and well. So today, I'm going to show you guys my coffee station and my accent wall in the kitchen. So I painted one of my kitchen walls black. So let's get started. This is my accent wall, and I painted one of my kitchen walls black like this. It's so dramatic. And also I painted these cabinets white, and actually this kitchen island is from IKEA, and I love these butcher block countertops. They are so pretty. And actually I decorated this black wall with a blue colored art and also blue colored, actually blue flowers. However, it looks like a cafe. It looks like a coffee shop. My husband's favorite coffee shop. So I didn't want my kitchen to look like a coffee shop. That is why I changed them to blackboard like this. And also I put IKEA's green colored plant, artificial plant, which is very pretty. This artificial plant is so pretty. Actually, black and white color scheme is gonna go with any color. However, this black wall didn't go well with the blue color. So that's why I add the bunch of green plants. So I'm gonna show you. And also this side I put my husband's grandmother's bench over here, which I painted it white. It looks so pretty with a gray cushion. However, it was oak color before originally. And then I love white oak, but I don't really like oak color so much. That is why I painted it white, and it looks so pretty. It's so nice. And this bench is very convenient. It has storage under the seat. It's nice. And also I put a round red table and a red chair like this, and I painted both Valspar Porsche red color. It's so pretty. This color is so pretty. I think I love it. And also I added black and white chevron fabric like this. And also I made this curtain with IKEA's fabric, which is my favorite, white and black polka dots. And I really love this artificial IKEA's fabric. So pretty with the black and the white part. I never ever saw this kind of a part before, and unfortunately IKEA doesn't carry this anymore. And this plant is from Marshall's, and then this black and white striped pot is from Target. It was only $3, unbelievable. And also these coffee and sugar containers are from Marshall's. I bought them a long time ago. And also this French press and planter pot are from IKEA. And plant is from Target. It's so nice. And actually this art, my husband drew this art. And also this plant is from IKEA, and this pot is from Target. It was also $3. Unbelievable. And these floating shelvings are from IKEA too. So basically in this kitchen, everything is from IKEA. I love IKEA because it's reasonable and the items are so pretty. And again, this artificial plant is from IKEA too. I love this plant so much. It's so pretty. And last piece I want to introduce you, the sign of happy wife, happy life. It is said in America. Hi everyone! How was my coffee station and my accent roll? I hope you enjoy them. So, see you in the next video. Bye! Konnichiwa, minasan. Ms.P です。So, today I'm gonna show you my coffee station and accent wall in the kitchen. Oh my gosh. Hello!